Hello and namaste. This is Neeraj here once again, and welcome back to my channel Financial Market Analysis Twist by 𝗦𝗛𝗦𝗧𝗢𝗖𝗞. So, in today's video, I would like to discuss something regarding future potential opportunities in the market, in Indian stock market. Basically, which are the future sectors. Okay, nothing in near to medium term, because as I keep on repeating and as I have been proven excellently right about everything, that things are not good. So before starting this video, I would request all of you, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also put a like if you like this video and share it with your maximum friends so that YouTube also promotes this video. More likes and more promotes. And also before starting this, I have a separate format where for a personalized investment, stock investment and the business investment analysis and advice, you can contact me. It's on a personalized nominal chargeable basis. You can send me mail and we can set up this thing, and I will then let you know about these charges. And also a disclaimer that whatever the ideas and opinions expressed here in this video are my personal views based on certain data and based on certain futuristic projections, which based on my futuristic projections, based on certain of my understanding of the situation and data. So viewers are requested to do their own due diligence and research before acting on the advice, as I am nowhere responsible for their decisions of investment or not investment and selling or buying. So let's start. So just a small video, I wanted to make this very precise and concise video regarding, because everybody keeps on asking that market is bad, so you please let us know which are the new ideas or new sectors one should. I would categorically say that if you can sit on the cash, that is the best. Okay, don't invest, don't be in a hurry to invest that market has come down little. So many of so-called stupid experts, they come on TV, they come on newspapers and all these things and blah blah blah, because this is not their money. And their profit or their earnings depend on your investment, your money, because they get commission out of that. So that's why they will never say that you should not invest. They will always keep on saying that, yeah, this is the right time to invest, this is the right time to invest, this is the right time to invest. Every dip, they will talk about that it is an investment dip. It is the opportunity to enter in the market. But as you know that what happens with the stocks like new age IPO stocks like Zomato and all these things, which I always used to say that one should never invest in such kind of stocks, that they are never going to make any money. And this is I can put a seal on this, I can give on a writing, and we can sign a bond also that if they will make money, I will stop giving advice. So that is what I am trying to tell you, that new age tech IPOs, they are not going to make money. You look at Uber, look at Ola, look at what happened. Even though they are good utility services, but they are not meant to make money. They are meant to just some new ideas. But business is based on the capital infusion or investments and not on the profit making ideas. So this is, I would like to share that right now also it's not time, as I have been telling you. You will see a heavy crash in the market sooner or later. I don't know. You will see the results now coming for the first quarter, and you will see what kind of horrible margin compression in most of these consumer goods, which so-called experts keep on telling you that retail is a theme and consumer is the theme. What the stupid theme, man. You don't have money. All the input prices are going up. People don't have disposable income. It's going down. Governments have no other option but to raise import duties, export duties, other duties, and raise revenues, because it's the situation is becoming more and more ugly in terms of the economy. So what they talk about, that consumer durables and FMCG and retail, and these are the themes, these are all stupid themes. Man, this can never be the theme. And also this valuation has to be there in any stock, any idea. You cannot buy certain stock at 100 rupees, means at a PE of 70, 80, 100. What is the meaning of that? Meaning is that you pay 70 rupees to earn 1 rupee of the profit. of that, what kind of investment you are making? How much margin of safety in such kind of a high value expensive stocks? There is no margin of safety, very less. So as a retail investors or as any individual investors, I would say, even if you are a billionaire or trillionaire, it doesn't matter, but individual investors should always get swayed by their own interest of simple basics, that how much I pay. You go into the market and if you see that there is a tomato available at 200 rupees per kilo and there is tomato available at 50 rupees per kilo. So you will try to weigh the quality, you will try to weigh the characteristic, you will try to understand what is the difference. If 200 is just because that guy has put up a mall and in that air conditioned shop he is trying to sell, that's why it is 200, but otherwise quality and all this consideration, it should be 100 rupees, okay, if not 50. So you should not invest. So that is the way how one should value, evaluate the stocks or the investment. And just a small futuristic idea is that because I am sitting in Moscow, as you know, I am in Russia, I am involved with a lot of this companies between India and Russia, a lot of these opportunities I keep on telling in my videos, in recent videos also. I see that there is a huge potential business opportunity, growth opportunity for auto ancillary. Indian auto ancillaries are the best ecosystem developed. I would not say auto industries, because still the quality wise I would still not say. I'm not talking about Maruti or because it's a Japanese company, basically it's a Japanese technology, but all this, there is no other, it's Indian auto industries are, it's not the quality wise, the auto is still not comparable to those world class other qualities. Okay, in India it sells because there is no choice, and also import duties are so high. So, but still, if you say, look at the number of sales for say Tata or Mahindra and look at the other companies, all these Japanese, Korean, German car companies together, so you will understand the difference of the quality. But auto ancillary industries, particularly the medium small companies will do in my terms, because now in Russia there is as you know, that because of sanctions and everything, and so many mostly these foreign companies were here, they have just left or in the process of, it's kind of a situation is very grim, and situation auto industry is very complicated. So what I believe, what I understand from my interaction with a lot of these things, which even inquiries I keep on getting, is that you should look at the auto ancillary industries, because most of these spare parts or accessories and all this auto other things, other than the body, so many other things which are the value addition things, which are where India has built up a very good ecosystem of auto ancillary industries, and there is a huge potential for these industries to export to Russia, as well as relocate some of the manufacturing and in future. But there is a huge potential for the export to Russia, and this will happen eventually. It is already in the process. So this is where I see that there is a huge growth opportunity for the Indian auto ancillary, not auto industries. I'm negative on auto industries of India particularly. So, and Indian pharma industries, as you know, that Indian pharma is anyway doing the best. They are the world class pharma companies. They have built up the full ecosystems. So these two industries, India has been really because of the individual entrepreneurship and this system which Indian companies have built, they are the real world class in these two segments. And that is where also I see a huge potential business opportunities for the Indian pharma companies for Russia. So export and all this new generic drug development, as well as the new opportunities for the growth, inorganic and organic in Russia. So that is the reason I would suggest that looking at a long-term perspective, and also not immediately, which I am telling that so tomorrow you go into the market and you see this auto ancillary and pharma and just try to buy. But I am not saying that, but you please look at the valuation, look at this the portfolio, and do little research. And when it becomes little kind of, you get that confidence, and the valuation wise also this is the time to buy for the long term opportunities. So this is just I wanted to share with all of you, and I hope you like this video, and we'll see once again next week or anytime with some new unique idea and unique concept. Till that time, ciao from Neeraj from Moscow, and love you all.